time left in this game, and it looks like they're back on their heels versus when things are going bad for them, of picking the intensity up.
Evan George locates the double team O'Neal. Horn, Fisher, nice rotation of Bryant. Buckle up for Kobe Bryant! Kobe Bryant just sucked the gravity out of the target center. Fourth personal foul.
Well, Kobe's been quiet here. He does a great job going in over the 2 7-footers. Oh my goodness. That was sweet. And then, you know what? How many times have we talked about when you go in and you make a great play like that at the basket, when those 3 points come out, how easy it looks.
He will take your breath away. Kobe Bryant and the Los Angeles Lakers on top 76-58.